in order to learn how we set up our job posting search. I do the login here. And then I go to this page. This is the page of search lists. We will add new list here. And now we have this job posting search. We press it. Then we have a little explanation here of the 3 steps. And we press continue. Here we go with the list name. For example, Python developers. Job title. Okay, let's go with like backend developer. Then we have to insert our location. We can go with California. And to pick up industry. For example, we can go into IT sphere, like this. Then you have to put your company size that's going to be suitable for you. We can go with medium, with large, or with the small one. I'll just put it like this. And the posting date, was it last week, was it last month, or last 3 months? We'll go to see something fresh. We press continue to billing. And then you do the purchase here. After what? You have this job posting search.